stopped for lunch today at the Fun Factory. Myself, my husband Gary, and our good friend Terry. My husband Gary made a video today and I took some pictures, so enjoy looking at our experience at the Fun Factory.
Just one more place you may want to check out while you're in Yuma. And I didn't have my camera with me, so we're having to do it on the phone. Try to keep it from wiggling. They got miniature golf here. They got go-karts here. Let's walk over here and see what they have on this side. Got a little pond here. Doesn't look like it's made for fishing. Don't know what it's really made for. There's part of the golf course over there. Miniature golf, that is. Here before, but I don't know if I ever put it on film. They got a little everything. I'm guessing this gets to cooking when it ain't middle of the day, which is when we go look at stuff because there's nobody in our way. A lot of fountains here and pools. And that looks like a big kids area down there. Let's go check that one out if I can get there. Well, that's a water park. I'm guessing it probably only opens up in the heat of the summer down here. There's definitely nobody here now. I don't know how to get down there for sure. I'll keep looking. Set up like little old western town. Everything miniature, half size. Even got the coffin there, or boat. I don't know what it is. It says Deadwood. Sounds like a bunch of Harleys are coming in. Maybe this is a Harley hangout. Don't know. But that's pretty cool. See if I can back up and get a better picture of it. Livery. Yeah. Never came back here and looked at this. Sorry about the wiggle again. Don't got the right camera. Never do. Yuma, Arizona is what that says. Got a little bridge there. This is right off the freeway. On the other side of the freeway. I don't recall what exit. I'll try to find it and put it on here. We were driving by it and I'd forgot where it was until we seen it. Then we jumped off the freeway real quick. Must be getting down there a different way than I came. Let's go see if we can find it. That's kind of cool over there. I wonder what's behind all these buildings. I don't know if they use them for anything. They're all, like I said, half scale. Hope I'm not moving it too fast. Well, it's definitely kind of a cool place to go. The Painted Pony Saloon, right next to the church over there. Still looking for the way down there. I found the way down there, and I thought so. It is closed. But that looks like a lot of fun for a young family. Not an old guy like me. I brake too easy. But if you're here and it's hot and it's open, check it out. I'm gonna go in and have me a nice meal right now. Probably already waiting on me. Short video, I know, but informational. Live bands. It's a big bar. I'm gonna talk fast because as soon as they play music, I'm gonna have to shut this down. We're gonna go check out some pictures and add them to this right now. That bar's got a cold strip right down the middle there. Icy, so you can stick your beer right on there and keep it cold. Neat place, neat lights, everything. No music in the background. They give you prizes when you win. I guess t-shirts. You can, here's your clubs for your miniature golf. All kinds of games back here. Awesome little place. Photo booth. Hopefully this music ain't gonna give me any trouble. I think we'll just get rid of it. Well, it's so jumbled up, there shouldn't be any music copyrights. All kinds of games here. Kids' paradise here.
bet I could crawl in that hole.
I'll bet some little kids could. I bet some little kids have tried. You want to ride the duck? I'll pay for it.
No.
Ricky, you want to ride the duck? Yeah. Or you want to ride the grasshopper? This one looks more like for me. Right there, that's me. Here's the entryway. Gears changed. Whatever the heck they got there, I don't know. Well, I hear the restrooms are interesting. I'll take a picture if nobody's interested. Come check this out, guys. You're going to like this place. Bring your children. They'll really like it. Down the go-kart range. They say they got brand new go-karts over there. I'm guessing right there. Nobody's running them. It's only $6 to run I don't know how many laps. Sorry, I might have got that up in the air. I'm holding my hand through a fence filming this. We may try that out someday, but most of you know I'm just healing up from a sciatic nerve. I'm not going to be bumping around on no track. But once again, we've had a good day with my lovely wife right there.
Look at my hair.
Yeah, look at her hair. And then we got my buddy over there. You got to check out their sites too. Greener than Gourd. It's my wife. American Nomad RV Nomad. I always say that backwards. Right up there's the freeway. Give you the exit. I can't read it. Looks like
Exit 3.
Exit 3.
I told you that already.
Yeah, but I didn't tell them.
Yeah, but you forgot already.
No, I did not read it. I can read it. It's right there. Exit 3. Depends on which way you're going. You can take exit 3, or you could go down here and take exit 4. Get on the north side frontage road, and you will be here. Check it out. It's awesome. We're going to have a big Air Force show here. Those guys looks like they're coming in for landing. It's been noisy all day, thanks to those guys, the ones that keeps our country safe. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep posting all this wonderful crap, stuff. Thanks for viewing. Bye.